Listing 3728 is a well-established auto repair business located in Northeast Metro Atlanta. It's a family-run facility with loyal customers who've trusted the shop for decades. It also features modern equipment that's well-conditioned and perfectly maintained. The 5,000 square foot property features 10 stalls with 15-foot bay doors and 20-foot ceilings. It sits on an acre of land that's ideally located. There's a good mix of residential and commercial properties, all within a 5-mile radius. The owner, who's retiring, has run the business from the office while staff handle maintenance and repairs. Training and support is available. All inquiries will be required to submit a statement of net worth and sign a non-disclosure agreement. Please reach out to us at 770-885-0000 or sales@AutoBizBrokers.com for more information.